purchase it. Number 5 is Canon PIXMA TS9520 all-in-one wireless printer. The Canon PIXMA TS9520 all-in-one wireless printer is an outstanding option for anyone searching for a versatile and dependable printer for their cake printing needs. With its state-of-the-art 5-color individual ink system, this printer can produce sharp black text and stunning photos that will leave a lasting impression. The printer's ability to support various paper types and sizes, including 11 by 17 inches, makes it perfect for printing larger cake designs easily. The PIXMA TS9520 also boasts a flatbed scanner with an auto-document feeder for multi-page documents, making scanning and printing multiple cake designs simultaneously simple. With USB, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity options, this printer is easily accessible from multiple devices, including smartphones and tablets. It is important to note that the PIXMA TS9520 does not support borderless printing for specific paper types such as envelopes, t-shirt transfers, and photo stickers. The Canon PIXMA TS9520 all-in-one wireless printer is an exceptional choice for those seeking a versatile and dependable printer for their cake printing needs. Its top-of-the-line features and capabilities make it a front-runner in the market, and its high-quality printing results are sure to exceed expectations. If you want to purchase this all-in-one wireless printer right now, then check the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best edible printer for cakes. If you like any of these best edible printers, check out the link in the description box to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.